Hey guys, I want to show you how to level the floor. We're going to be setting tiles here, and this subfloor has about a 1/4 inch dip. If you see here, I got my 10-foot level. I can easily slide my pencil right on there. So, you know there's a good sized dip right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to use a self-leveler, pour it in, and then once it's all nice and flat, we're going to set the tiles. Alright, so I'm going to be using self-level. It's by Level Quick by Custom. And what I got here is about this much water. You want to put it down low so it doesn't splash. And start mixing. Okay, now that we have it all mixed up, we're gonna pour it in. I'm gonna pour it slowly, little by little. So this is my dip right here. So I'm gonna pour it to one side. Just kind of slowly pushing it in this direction. You see how it runs? It just all runs into the low spots. Now same thing here. I got a low spot going down this way. I want to push everything this way. So one thing I'm doing, as I'm taking my trowel across, I'm pushing on the back side here and letting this one kind of go up a little bit. So you have it nice and smooth on this side. See, makes it nice and smooth here. So now we have everything nice and even. When this dries out, it'll be perfectly flat. And tomorrow we're gonna set the tile. You can see how it's drying out now. Okay, we are back. Everything nice and dry. And by the way, it's perfectly level now. I was able to slide my pencil under here yesterday. And now it's all sitting flat.